Hi, I'm Ellen from Graco, and I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a diaper changer for your pack and play. First, take all of your changer parts out of the box. You should have a changer table fabric, changing tubes with plastic corners, changing tubes without plastic corners, and changing connector tubes. These two tubes are often found inside of your pack and play. Flip over your diaper changer fabric so that the holes are visible. There will be 2 holes in the corner and 2 holes that are not in the corner. Take the changer tubes that have plastic corners and line it up with the holes that are in the corner. Take the other 2 tubes and line it up opposite those. Thread the changer tubes inside of the changer fabric. Feel for the metal button inside the changer fabric and press it and assemble each of the set of 2 tubes together. Push the tubes together until you hear a click. Pull the tubes apart to make sure that they're securely attached. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Again, pull on the 2 tubes to make sure that they're securely attached. Next, slide the tube ends underneath the piece of changer fabric. Do this on both sides. Line the tubes up, press the metal button, and insert the tubes together until you hear a click. Pull the tubes apart to make sure they're securely attached to each other. Lastly, take the 2 changer connector tubes and insert them into the plastic corners. Make sure you hear a click. Pull up on them to make sure they're attached. Once your changer table is assembled, it's ready to attach to your pack and play. Find the corners of your pack and play that have the vertical holes. Line the changer connector tubes with the holes and push down firmly. Pull up on the changing table to make sure it's securely attached. Now your diaper changer is ready to be used.